Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my veggie lasagna gluten-free with bechamel sauce. Let me take you to the ingredients for the sauce first, and then we're going to move forward to the rest of the item of the recipe. This is a mixture of heavy cream and whole milk. I have 1 cup of heavy cream and 2.5 cups of just whole milk, some grated mozzarella, salted butter, and some flour. And we also need some salt and pepper. I'm gonna take you to the stove, so we're gonna start cooking the bechamel sauce first, and then we will move forward. I have a saucepan that is heating on medium-low. I'm gonna add my butter and let the butter melt. I'm gonna add my flour and stir this quickly. I'm actually gonna switch to a whisk. It's better. Now make sure your heat is on low. Okay, so now you're gonna add your heavy milk and whole milk. Keep it stirring as you're adding it. Okay, I'm back to my wooden spoon. Now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Now I always like to add, I always use black pepper. You can use white pepper if you want, because normally most people use white pepper when they're making white sauce for any kind of pasta. I'm gonna add just a handful of my grated cheese, and I'm gonna save all of this for later. And then let the cheese melt, and I also want the sauce to get thickened a little bit, so let this cook on low, medium, low heat. Keep it stirring it until we get a thickened consistency. My sauce is thickened. I remove it from the heat and I let it cool on the side until we're gonna walk in the veggies. And for the veggies, this is what I am choosing to use, which is some fresh chopped spinach, some zucchini, which I have boiled, not completely, but like about 75%, and also the broccoli. You can also steam this. I did add some salt as I was boiling it. I need some sliced onion, crushed peppers, and this is 3 cloves of garlic minced, some gluten-free lasagna sheet, and some marinara sauce. This is store-bought. You can use pasta sauce, and you can make your own and use your own. Let me take you to the stove, so we're gonna start cooking the veggie, and then we're gonna be so close by setting up the lasagna to go to the oven. I have about 3 tablespoons of oil. It's preheating on medium heat, and I'm gonna add my onion, garlic, and crushed peppers or crushed chilies, and I'm gonna let this saute for about half a minute to a minute. Add your spinach. Lower my heat on medium low and have it on a little bit high for a minute for 7. Add a bit of salt, and then let this cook until completely dry. Now it is the final time. No more wait. My lasagna has been ready over here to set up or to assemble it. I have my lasagna tray, my bechamel sauce. Just take a look, the thickness. This is good enough. And my gluten-free oven-baked lasagna. I'm not baking this. If you can't find oven-ready lasagna, just buy the regular lasagna and then boil it according to the package. My grated cheese, my spinach. I didn't cook this 100%. I just left the stem a little bit crunchy, not that crunchy, but not completely cooked. My veggies, my marinara sauce. My oven is preheating back there for 375 Fahrenheit, and let's get it started without talking too much. My first layer, I'm gonna add my sauce. Add a little bit more, just about half cup to 3/4 cup, just a eyeballing measurement. And then add your lasagna sheet. And then goes my bechamel sauce, spinach, I'm gonna add some broccoli and zucchini. Now if you don't want to use zucchini, you don't want to use broccoli, you can use whatever veggie you like, whatever veggie you prefer. You can use like bell peppers, green peppers, red peppers, any sweet peppers. You can use, really, it is really up to you. You can use mushroom, you can use whatever veggie your heart desire. You can just replace those veggies to the zucchini or to the broccoli. Next goes my mozzarella. You can use provolone again. You don't have to use mozzarella. You can use white cheddar. You can use any white cheese you prefer. And then on top of the cheese goes my marinara sauce. And then keep repeating the same process until you get to the top of your lasagna dish. And I did my final assemble with cheese sauce and the cheese. Lots of cheese on the top, and my oven is preheated, and my lasagna is going to cover with the foil, and then it will be in the oven cover for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, I'm gonna remove the sheet and then remove the foil and then let it bake for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will show you once it's there. My lasagna is ready. It was in the oven in total time for 45 minutes on my preheated oven for 375. It cooked with the foil for 20 minutes, and then I removed it out, remove the foil, put it back again in the oven for another 20 minutes on 400. And this is how it looks like. It is gorgeous. It is boiling hot right now. I'm not able to cut this. You have to let this sit before you slicing it, because it's gonna make a mess. It's not gonna come out easily to plate it. So I will see you next time with another great recipe. You wanna get this recipe in written, click the link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It is obviously free to subscribe. I will see you with another great recipe. Put your comments down below. What do you want to see next? Bye for now.